Okay, just write these ones down. 2/6 plus 1/4 equals, and also 3/4 plus 2/5 equal. Yes, they have a different denominator. Pause that video right now. Now that you're back, this is what this looks like. 2/6. My 6th are over here. What do you think this will equal roughly, do you think? Any idea? Okay, I know 2/6 is less than a half. I know 1/4 is less than a half, so it's not going to make one whole. 3/4 is greater than a half. 2/5 is less than a half, so that might be round about one whole, somewhere around there. But 2/6 is 2/6 and 1/4. If I join that together, clearly you can see it's bigger than a half. This one down here, 3/4 plus 2/5. Yes, 2/5. Okay, as you can see, that it's going to be bigger than a whole. Okay, so I can put that in there. But this one, when I put that in that gap, it's going to go over it by some way. So this one's going to be one whole in something. So let's pause that video, work it out, then we'll go through it. Alright, let's go through it. So in this case, I'm going to show you a different way. You can do it the way that we did it before. You could do the multiples steps of 4 and 6. So straight away I can see it's that one there. Another way you could do it, there's different ways you can do it. So you choose one that's comfortable for you. Some people, they call it, you can call it anything, but like the butterfly way. So basically I'm going to go across this way. And I'm also going to go, I should use a different colour. I'm going to then multiply this one and then multiply those two. So even though it's a plus, I'm just going to multiply everything apart from one plus at the end. So if I do it this way, 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 2 is 8. And 6 times 1 is 6. This is the only time I use the plus. Bring it up here. 8 plus 6 is 14. Here is my answer, but again you want to simplify. There's a number that can fit into them both. Clearly it's an even number, so 2 can fit into 14 and 2 can fit into 24, so I'll use that. 2 fits into 14 7 times, 2 fits into 24 12. 7's a prime number, I can't break it down any further, that is it. That's my answer, using that method there. Now, depends which method you want to do it. Either way you're going to get the answer. You stick with a way that you are comfortable with. Okay, teachers will get you to do different ways, but you stick with one that you are more familiar with. Again, there's different ways. I'll do the butterfly one more time. So remember, I'm just going to multiply this way across, and then multiply and multiply. So it's almost like a butterfly. So I've got sort of these sorts of things, and then a plus up here. So this way I'm going to go 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 3 is 15. 4 times 2 is 8. Now remember the plus, this is when I do the plus. I'll bring up the plus. 15 plus 8 would give me 23. 23. It's a bit like having all these pizza slices, but my box only holds 20. So what I have to do now is, my box can hold 20 slices, so I put 20 in there, there's going to be something left over. 23, take away 20, would leave 3. So I can put 20 slices in there, it's one whole. I'll have 3 left over out of 20. Now this is known as a, what kind of fraction? Now this one here is an improper, this one is a mix, where you've got a whole number and a fraction. To turn this one back into this one, you do 20 times 1, because that's one whole, 20 slices. 20 times 1 is 20, and you plus the numerator, which is 23. 23 out of 20. Easy, really, isn't it?